Hi guys, just before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Thank you. Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video today, and today we are going to do a messy hairstyle fringe. So I've been wanting to do this one for a while, so we're going to start off by using some pre-styler, and then we're going to go ahead and use our fingertips first to manipulate the hair. And we just keep moving your head around or the hairdryer around, just trying to get it in from everywhere, just trying to create that volume in the hair really just before we apply any product. So as you can see, I'm massaging the scalp quite well. Next we'll add the volumizing powder. I'm using the Slick Gorilla. It's got really good texture, which is why I'm using this one, guys. So we put in the powder and then literally use the fingertips to create the texture and just manipulate that hair as much as you can. Go into the roots and just really get in there, just try to get that texture in there. So we finish off with the fringe, and a good tip guys is you can use the palm of your hands to scrunch your hair to bring out the natural curls. So there you have it guys, there's a messy hair tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Take care.